हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अपना शो। मेरा नाम है आशीष और आप देख रहे हैं अपना शो। आप सभी को सत श्री अकाल, नमस्ते और आदाब। दोस्तों, अपना शो यानी आर शो, यह है आपका शो, यह है हमारा शो। अपना शो में हम आपको दिखाते हैं ढेर सारी चीज़ें जिसमें होता है एंटरटेनमेंट, यानी कि हम आपको दिखाएंगे बॉलीवुड के कुछ सॉन्ग्स, मूवीज़ के कुछ सीन जिसको आप देख कर एंजॉय कर सकते हैं, उनके साथ डांस कर सकते हैं, थिरक सकते हैं और मस्ती कर सकते हैं। साथ ही हम आपको मिलाएंगे कुछ हस्तियों से जो साउथ एशियन ओरिजिन से हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने यूएस में आकर कुछ कर दिखाया है, अपना नाम कमाया है और ऐसा कुछ किया है जो एक सक्सेस स्टोरी है। तो वी विल शेयर देयर सक्सेस स्टोरीज विथ यू, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो लर्न फ्रॉम देम, यू कैन ऑल्सो लर्न फ्रॉम योर सक्सेसेस, देयर फेलियर्स, व्हाट दे डिड राइट, व्हाट दे डिड रॉन्ग, एंड प्रॉब्ली यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक योर ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू राइट हियर ऑन अपना शो। उसके बाद हम अपना शो में आपको ऑल्सो दिखाते हैं इवेंट्स जो यहाँ पर हो रही हैं, जो बॉस्टन में हो रही हैं, जो न्यू इंग्लैंड एरिया में हो रही है, जो अमेरिका में कहीं पर भी साउथ एशियन ओरिजिन के लोगों द्वारा की जा रही है। उन इवेंट्स में हम आपको दिखाते हैं उस टैलेंट को जो शायद आप नहीं जानते कि साउथ एशियन ओरिजिन का टैलेंट है और उन्होंने कुछ कर दिखाया है। हम आपको दिखाएंगे इन सभी चीज़ों को राइट हियर ऑन योर शो अपना शो। अपना शो के बारे में और जानने के लिए आप देख सकते हैं हमारी वेबसाइट apnashow.org। नेक्स्ट हम आपको मिलाने वाले हैं एक ऐसी हस्ती से जो है हैदराबाद से, लेकिन यहाँ रहते हैं शेरन, मैसाचुसेट्स में। शुचिता राव हैज़ स्टार्टेड अ म्यूजिक इंस्टीट्यूट कॉल्ड द रासा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ म्यूजिक एंड आर्ट्स इन शेरन, मैसाचुसेट्स, एंड शी हैज़ क्लोज टू 50 स्टूडेंट्स whom she teaches music, Hindustani vocal music. If you ever heard of the word serendipity, here we have a live example for her. We have a person who is actually a technological specialist in high school in Medfield. But her serendipity and her destiny brought her to something that she has loved since her childhood, music. Ladies and gentlemen, I am glad to you to present Shuchita Rao. Hi Shuchita.
Hi.
Nice to see you here.
Nice to meet you too.
So Shuchita, from Hyderabad to Boston, how has this been? Like, what is the...
Oh, it's been very nice. Like you said, my interest and passion has been music from childhood.
Right.
I grew up in a musical family. My parents sing. I have an older sister. She sings very well. And, it's been more of a passion than a full-time occupation for all of us.
Okay.
So we chose careers in, professional occupations, and I got a master's in computer science in India. And that's how I came to the US.
Okay.
I worked for PricewaterhouseCoopers, a big six company, for almost 10 years. But then when my children were born, I decided to change careers and get into schools,
Right.
education for children. And obviously, because I loved music so much, I introduced music to my own children. And the idea struck, why don't I have more children, be introduced to Indian music at the same time? And that's how I started my school in music, which I actually run out of my home. In addition, I also teach music on Saturdays at LearnQuest Academy in Waltham,
Okay.
in Massachusetts. So between the two schools and my regular job as a technology specialist, I keep quite busy.
Okay, so I understand that you are a versatile person. You work as a computer consultant per se, as a technological specialist for the high school, and you also run two institutes, right? One Rasa Institute of Art in Sharon, and the other one in Waltham. And you also write articles for various newspapers like Indian Express and India Abroad and India New England.
Right.
So you have kind of passion for all the kind of arts related things, right?
That is right.
Okay,
That's
and
right.
how it started since your childhood, like you said, your family values and everything. So how did it build on? Like, how did you keep this passion alive?
My father actually wrote for a lot of newspapers, and
Okay.
he had a job at a museum and a big passion for the arts. And he also pursued a degree in journalism and law. And he
Okay.
taught as a professor of journalism at Osmania University. He has a number of articles to his credit. I also have my aunt, father's sister, who's a very well-known and well-respected music critic
Okay.
in New Delhi. So I guess it runs in the family, and we've learned to balance, the two things.
Right.
An interest in,
Arts
the
as well as-
science,
yeah.
the sciences, as well as
The
an
arts.
interest in the arts.
And what would you like better, like arts or science?
I like both of them equally.
Both of them equally.
Right.
Wow. So tell me about, like, you're starting with music. How did you start learning? And
My first lessons were from my parents and my sister. My mother and sister took formal lessons in music in Hyderabad.
Okay.
The teacher's name was Dr. Karade, and I used to go there as a young child. I didn't have enough patience to sit through a 1 hour class, so I would go in and out of the classroom, sometimes chasing squirrels outside, taking a little walk, skipping, hopping outside, and then come back to the music lesson and listen to the music too. And I think through osmosis, my first lessons happened right at home, and also at the music class that my mother and sister took.
Okay.
And then slowly, when I was 7 or 8 years old, I started taking formal lessons in music, and I had the good fortune of learning from very well-known, very well-respected teachers.
Hi, I am Saundarya. You're watching Apna Show.